The whole house is clean. And, brother, it better stay that way. Hold on there, you no good cat. Just look what you've done to my clean floor. Get up here. Take this mop. Now start cleaning. And furthermore, if I find one spot of dirt in this house when I get back, we is going to be minus one cat around here. Understand? Well, get on with that cleaning. And keep it clean. Boy, when I get a hold of that low-down good-for-nothing... Hey, you, has you seen a no-good cat around here?
No, ma'am. I ain't seen no cat around here. There ain't no cat, no place, no house, no